Chatbot trends and predictions to know in 2023. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of chatbots and discussing the trends and predictions that you need to know for the year 2023. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about enhanced personalization. In 2023, chatbots will become more intelligent and capable of understanding individual preferences and needs. They will use advanced algorithms and machine learning to provide personalized recommendations and tailor their responses to each user. Next, we have the rise of voice-activated chatbots. With the increasing popularity of voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, chatbots will leverage voice recognition technology to enhance user experiences. Imagine having a natural conversation with a chatbot, all through voice commands. Another exciting trend is the integration of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, with chatbots. In 2023, we can expect chatbots to step into the virtual world, allowing users to interact with them through immersive AR and VR experiences. This opens up new possibilities for gaming, virtual shopping, and more. Moving on, we have the increasing adoption of chatbots in customer service. Businesses are realizing the benefits of chatbots in providing round-the-clock support and quick responses to customer queries. In 2023, we can expect more companies to integrate chatbots into their customer service strategies. Now, let's discuss the exciting advancements in natural language processing, NLP. NLP allows chatbots to understand and interpret human language better, leading to more meaningful conversations. In 2023, chatbots will become even more proficient in understanding context, emotions, and complex queries. One of the key predictions for 2023 is the increased use of chatbots in healthcare. Chatbots have already proven their value in providing quick medical advice and triaging patients. In the coming year, we can expect chatbots to play an even more significant role in remote patient monitoring, mental health support, and personalized healthcare. Lastly, let's talk about the ethical considerations surrounding chatbots. As chatbots become more intelligent and human-like, ethical guidelines will become crucial to ensure responsible AI usage. In 2023, we can anticipate the development of standards and regulations to address privacy, data security, and the potential biases embedded in chatbot algorithms. That wraps up our discussion on chatbot trends and predictions for 2023. Exciting times lie ahead for chatbot technology, and we can't wait to see how these trends unfold. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.